In order to schedule this service, open the KisanLink app. Click on the plus icon and click the Services button. Click on Output Purchase Services. Click on Raise New Ticket. Select the crop. Enter all content, moisture, and impurities percentage. Done. Your request is submitted. You will receive multiple bids for the output purchase request within the next 24 hours. Choose the bid that is convenient for you in terms of price, delivery date, and payment terms. Click on Accept Bid. You have accepted the bid and now the output will be purchased by the selected buyer. The payment will be directly credited to the farmer's account according to the payment terms.